want to go after. Yeah, that's exactly my point. So, we don't, we in our department
Oh. Some coming through the. What the? No way. They go under there a lot, and they haven't been coming out. I'll start turning them on.
It's just unreal.
Oh no. Yeah. Oh, you're there, yeah. That would be sweet. That would be sweet. Okay. So you usually cover 3? You staff how many nurses a day?
We have, in the clinic, we have 4 now. And we're interviewing NPs on Shrestha and child diagnosis.
Oh yeah, what's the name of that?
Shrestha.
Shrestha?
I know,
What's
I
it
can
start with?
Yes.
Shrestha.
Shrestha. He's Indian.
Okay.
I never met him. He interviewed last July when I was on vacation. So that I usually am interested in the birds love cat food. So they come up and on the deck and eat it, which is fine. But the cats lurch at them from inside. Scare the living crap out of them. Of course, the bird poop all over the deck all the time. But yeah, Shrestha, we're getting, and we're trying to hire on another NP.
She liked it over there. Well, you know, she didn't like the archery because of Mac. And that Paul has got to change that. You can't bring somebody on and stipulate who they're going to work with. That has to be developed. You have to develop that relationship. You can't just say, oh, this is who you're. It might not be a good match.
Yeah, that's just it. I think it's like, and he heard the stories about it.
Sure.
That's why when I heard he was saying
It's kind of cleansing.
Yeah.
And
Almost
I always
like an
got
animal.
along right. I always got along with him, but I can get along with a lot of people.
Right. Oh
But
yeah,
he
you're
really
Can you hear this creepy stuff?
Is that in Jordan's room?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it scary?
Is it cool?
Yeah.
You like it?
They call it Spooky Land down there.
Is it spooky land?
Spooky Land, yeah, that's what they named it.
You guys call it spooky land down there? Yeah. Not really.
It's freaky. He probably does that to make sure he keeps her out of his face.
Yeah, pretty much.
Mom! This boat lights up and it changes colors.
Isn't that neat? Pretty colors too.
You want to go in the creepy room?
The creepy room, that's a better word for it.
Are you
How do you
scared
turn
of it?
that
It
on?
might be a little scary.
Yeah.
You might be scared.
Mom might be scared. You better protect her.
My bugs. Can you turn off my bugs?
No, come up quickly and turn
Trying to.
them. Okay, I'll get them. If I can find them all. That's the only
She's like,
problem.
she's like, can you protect